Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students, how are you today? I wish all of you are in a good condition right now. Well, today I am Widyaningsi MPD would like to explain you about procedural text. By the way, do you know what does procedural text mean? Okay, to answer the question, let's see the video.
In the UK, you'll find a cash machine at most banks, post offices and outside supermarkets. Some cash machines, especially in small shops, charge for taking money out. Make sure you use one that allows free withdrawals. First, insert your card into the machine. You will then be asked for your PIN number. This is a 4-digit code which you were given with your card. When entering your PIN number, try to cover the numbers so no one else can see them. Only you should know your PIN number, and it is important to keep it secure. If you have entered the correct PIN number, you will be taken to a screen with a list of services available to you. To withdraw money, you need to select cash, cash with receipt, or cash with balance. Different cash machines may have this option named in a different way. On the next screen, you will be asked how much money you would like to take out. Usually, the minimum amount you can withdraw is £10, but some cash machines may allow you to withdraw £5. Select the amount by pressing the button on the side of the screen. Remember to remove your card, take your money and receipt if you ask for one. Put your card and money somewhere safe before you walk away from the machine.
So based on the video, we can see that there are some steps that has been done by the person on the video in order to withdraw his money from the cash machine. The first one, he insert his card, and then he select the language, and then he enter his PIN. Then he select the transaction, he choose withdraw, and then he select the amount of money that he want to withdraw, and the last one, he can take his money. So that's the order how to take the money from the cash machine. Okay, let's see the definition. Procedural text is used to tell, or procedural texts are used to tell the readers how to do or to make something. So it is used to tell the readers about how to do, how to operate, or to make something. And here we can see that there are some elements that always contains on a procedural text. The first one is title or goal. It is a purpose. It is a purpose of the text. For example, how to operate a computer, or how to withdraw the money, or how to make an omelette, or how to use a laptop, for example. This is the title or the goal. And then introduction, but introduction is optional. It can be, or it cannot be on procedural text. And then tools or material. Tools or material is also optional. It is depend on the kind of explanation that we want to share to the readers. If we want to explain about how to make an omelette, so of course at the first we have to explain first the material or the tool that we need to make an omelette. And then instruction or step. Instruction or step is the most important thing that should be input on the procedural text. And the last one is tips, but it is also optional. Okay, procedural text usually used in non-academic context and also academic context. In daily life, we can find procedural text in receipt or manual of electronic device. So when we buy a new handphone, or when we buy a new television, we can see on the box there is a manual of using the electronic device, and there are the step of how to use it. And then in academic context, we can find it in the methodology section of proposal and report. Okay, now let's see how to use an electronic iron. Here there are 6 steps that usually used if we want to use, or if we want to operate an electronic iron. Let's see here. There are the conjunction, first, second, then next letter, additionally, and finally. This is the step. Start from now, start from here, and then continue to the next steps. Okay. This slide tells us about the language feature. So in order to make the procedural text can be received well by the reader, so it is usually use simple present. So the simple way, so we only use the language with a simple way. We use simple present, and then it is also use imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, for example, insert your money, insert your ATM card, take your money, enter your PIN, or put the camera, or switch on the television. So we use imperative sentence, where we know the imperative sentence is always start by, or is always or imperative sentence always begin by a verb 1. Okay, and then temporary conjunction. Most of not most of, all of the procedural text always use temporary conjunction, because we would like to share the step. The example is first, second, then next letter, additionally, and moreover, furthermore, finally, and at last, and many others. And the last one is adverb. We usually use adverb in writing a procedural text, especially adverb of manner, such as evenly, gently, smoothly, and etc. Okay, here is about how to use a front load washing machine. As you know that there are various kind of washing machine, but today we will see the way how to operate this kind of washing machine. The first one is we can see on the picture, the first picture, the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. The first one is we dose correctly. We put the detergent or softener, and then we load the laundry that we want to wash, and then we choose the suitable or correct temperature, and the fourth, we select the right spin cycle, whether it is smooth or strong, and then we close the door and press, and it will operate directly, and we can go. So after that, we can watch the television, or we can cook something, and after that we go back to the washing machine and we unload the clothes. So these are the way how to use or how to operate a front load washing machine. Okay, so here It is our exercise today, how to create a Facebook account. These are the blank space, but you can find the answer from here. You can see, for example, number one. First, type www.facebook.com in your okay. You can see here. So the answer is in your browser. So the first step is we have to type www.facebook.com in our browser. Okay. Okay, please do it at your home. Okay. Now group mission. So you have to do on your group. The task is create a video tutorial on doing a manual or tips on using technology device. So you have to find, you have to write uh, the way how to operate. It is up to you what you want to explain. For example, I would like to explain about how to operate uh, a blender, for example, or how to operate an Android device, or many others. Okay. So you can create it with your partner or with your friend on your group. Okay, I think that's all my explanation about our topic today, procedural text. But before I end my presentation, I would like to give you a nice quote. Nice quote. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for today. Nice meeting you and see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.